Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a YouTube banner. So today I'll just be on Adobe Express. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification to see more other videos later on. So today first you're going to be doing is going to Adobe Express. So over here you have the file, the name of whatever you're making, but first you could go to Adobe Express. You could see here, you could see the YouTube banner, the YouTube thumbnail, the YouTube video, the Facebook story, the TikTok video, and then Instagram story, and then posters and all that. Okay, so first see here, you could click on the YouTube banner. And then see here, you could have the generative templates and all this and stuff. You can see here, you can click on any of these. Personally, I really like the favorite ones. So if you go favorite any of these, and first of all, these have prices. So you can either have premium or the free one. The free one has a lot of good options too. So see over here. Yeah, these are pretty cool ones too. Also for premium, it's just more advanced kind of YouTube channel. So if you guys want to subscribe and premium and all this, so yeah. If you want to go to favorites, you could just go to your stuff over here and go to favorites. You can see here all your templates are over here, which all of these are my favorite kind of templates, so I just chose over here. Here are the libraries on my recent 9 months ago and all that files. So you see here you have all the files over here. And then you can have the media, the text, the elements, and then the charts and grids, the generative AI, which we're going to be using, and then the add-ons, where we could just add on any of these. I saw a kind of food, Korean food and all that, just like ASMR. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And then yeah, over here. And then we're going to be going to generative AI, which we're going to click on this one. And then you can choose from the landscape, the portrait, and the widescreen, which you could use from any of this. So here for the widescreen, you get to open this and just go all the way from full page or to like the below part, which the below part does have all this. So yeah, we could describe on what we like to see. So we're going to be clicking on travel. And then here you have the uses of credit. So you could use by any kind of credit that you would want. So you can go generate. Also here you could have the content type. So any kind of auto, photo, graphic, and art. Or you could just choose from styles. So over here, this is like popular movement themes, techniques, effects, and the materials and concepts. So over here you got all this cool stuff over here. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing on this one. So yeah, over here we get to download it. So make sure to see the size of it. You could choose from any kind of size. I'm just going to be choosing one. And then you could also print and deliver, which is pretty cool. I think pretty sure you're supposed to pay for that though. But yeah, it's pretty new. Here we just have our title and all that. Make sure to name your title so that you're trying to look for something. But yeah, let's go over to the travel website over here. So let's go edit this. And then we can change it. It could use up to, let's see, 2048 x 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. So yeah, I cannot use this. Not a chance. Okay, that's not smaller. Okay, let's go try this again. So let's go download and then 6. So the size, let's see. Let's see what the size is. Not very sure about what kind of size this is or so. Okay, wait, I had that open already. Let's go change it again. Let's see if it actually works. Not very sure about this. Okay, so it does work, so we could just choose from. Okay. Okay. So we see here, and then we could go to our channel over here and just reload it. Okay, wait, I'm supposed to click on publish. Make sure you guys to publish it before doing this because I forgot to do that. Also, you can change your profile to picture to anything really. And then see here we have the traveling. So see all the traveling stuff and all that. And then we can untitle it, which any kind of name that you would name it as, traveling kind or traveling banner. And then we could have the brands, which brands is over here is pretty cool too. Because you could use from logos over here to colors, and then you could like make your own graphic and all that stuff. And then you could upload it, which yeah, you could upload it and make your own banner and stuff, just customize it. And over here we got the templates. So we can generate template too, which that's pretty cool. Let's see over here. Let's get ready with me. Make sure you comment down below on what kind of a YouTube channel name I should name myself. I need ideas, so make sure to comment down below so I could start a new vlog channel and all that. I'm not big on travel actually. I'm just a random account, so I'm trying to make something elsewhere. Oh, so see here we got the get ready with me templates over here. We could choose from any of these. I think mostly for this is like the banner. I think this is should be mostly about the templates. Uh, uh, thumbnails really. So yeah. So if you really just want that, so I seen this before. I literally seen this one before. I don't know what happened to that picture, but yeah. Okay. These are good actually. I don't know about this one. It's kind of creepy. But yeah, that's kind of creepy too. That's I don't know how this is weird, but yeah. Okay. Uh, yeah. So you could choose from any kind of template. The only problem here is right now is if you click on one, it won't really work for some reason. So I don't know if this is just some way of doing this. Wait, let me just check this. Let's go to YouTube thumbnail. Okay, let's go to the thumbnail. Not very sure if this is the problem here or I just chose like a banner or something that I'm supposed to choose from. So let's see over here. Yeah, so I cannot click on this. Adobe, please fix it if you could. Not very sure if people have the same problem as this, but yeah, not very sure about this because um it doesn't really work if I click on it because I do have premium over here, so yeah. Even the free ones doesn't work for this one, so I'm kind of concerned unless like someone like deleted it or something like that. Not very sure if it just like stands right there, but I'm pretty sure some of them do work. Yeah, some of them do work, which kind of surprises me because some of the templates do not work. So make sure to comment down below if there's something wrong with this kind of app or so. Yeah. So let me just delete this. Okay. And then over here, we just delete all this. But yeah. Here it just shows all this kinds of stuff. We could add the add-ons too, which you could just open Google Drive or Google Photos, just like show all your photos that you have in Google Photos. And just add your photos onto here and just make it as a template. So it shows over here your add-ons, so you can just like add anything on here. Let me find that food app. Not really sure where it is, but it's weird. Yeah, so there's Korean food, which I'm a concern. But yeah, those looks good actually. I don't know if this AI. I'm pretty sure it's AI though. We can like add it. Then the food photo. Oh, it's photos. Okay, it's literally photos. So we see over here, it's just all the Korean food over here. Let me just scroll down. Oh, this one looks good. And this one too. I don't know what's the point of this one though. It's just like food. These kind of look AI though. Like, you guys get me? Unless it's like the photos like literally that good because photos kind of bad on this. I'm gonna be honest. Okay. I mean, you can make your own banner from this. Like, let me see over here. Yeah, you could like make your own banner and just call it a day. Yeah. Well, no one will suspect me with this. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is like great banner actually. It's for, okay, it's for my channel, guys. So, yeah. Here you could just add the text over here. So this is pretty cool too, because it has the dates and period and all that stuff. I've got the prices. So see here, it's like $10. Okay, okay, this is advertising. We got some advertising over here, which is pretty cool. Um, I think there's a lot of stuff that needs to be taken out. I don't know why I added that. Yeah. Okay. I think my thing got deleted, but it's okay, guys. So we got over here. We got a YouTube banner. And then we can add the text over here. Yeah. Let me just change the color. Okay. Okay, this is cute. Okay, okay. I like the text on this. And then we just add whatever we want on this. And then call it a day. It's like a newspaper. It's like files need to be extracted from this place. We are working as a team to making this part of the we are working as a team to making this part of the day. Yeah, this is so cool. It's like literally it actually looks like someone would actually do this and just like call it a day. Like here, just like do this, and then like here, just like add a generative photo. Or I don't know if it's generated or not. It kind of does, but at the same time, it doesn't. Which like I mean like there's photography, like good photography, and there's actually like AI stuff, which yeah, you need to be careful of those. But yeah, hopefully we got this done. For this you need over here the 2048 x 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. So if you need that and it doesn't work for you, make sure to always download and then like change your size so that it does fit onto here. But yeah, hope you like this video. Make sure to comment down below and new videos that we would like to try or new gaming videos and all that. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more of the videos to see later on. And bye.